Hello guys, in this video we will see what is high ping and lag issues in COD Warzone and how to fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step 1. Understanding high ping and lag in Warzone content. High ping in Call of Duty Warzone refers to high latency, which is the time it takes for data to travel from your gaming device to the game server and back. It's measured in milliseconds and is a high ping value. Consistently above seconds results in noticeable lag, which manifests as a delay between your actions and what appears on screen. This can include rubber banding, being pulled back to previous positions, stuttering, delayed head registration, characters teleporting, and an overall unresponsive gameplay experience, severely impacting your ability to play effectively and win gunfights.
Step: identifying the root cause of your connection. Issues content before attempting fixes can point the source of the problem. In Warzone, you can often see your ping displayed in the top left corner during a match or in the network settings menu. Observe if the high ping is constant, intermittent, or only occurs during peak hours. Determine if the issue is isolated to Warzone-specific servers or all online games. Check if other devices on your local network are experiencing slow internet, which might indicate an issue with your internet service provider. Is for home network equipment rather than just the game itself. Step: optimizing your local network environment content. The most impactful immediate steps involve your home network. Always prioritize using a wired Ethernet connection over Wi-Fi, as Wi-Fi is susceptible to interference and instability, leading to higher latency and packet loss. Power cycle your router and modem by unplugging them for about seconds and then plugging them back in. This can clear temporary glitches, ensure no other applications or devices on your network are hogging bandwidth through downloads, streaming in or large updates while you're playing Warzone. If available, configure quality of service post settings on your router to prioritize gaming traffic. Step: enhancing game performance and system settings. Content client-side issues can sometimes mimic lag. Ensure your graphics drivers, NVIDIA and Intel, are updated to the latest version for optimal performance in Warzone. Reduce in-game graphics settings, especially those that strain your GPU or RAM. Texture resolution, shadow quality, anti-aliasing as a struggling can cause frame drops that feel like network play. Close unnecessary background applications and processes that consume RAM or network resources. Enable Windows Game Mod and ensure your operating system is fully updated, as outdated systems can sometimes cause compatibility or performance issues.
Step: addressing external factors and advanced troubleshooting content. If local optimizations don't resolve the issue, consider external factors. Check the official Call of Duty server status online to ensure there are no widespread outages affecting Warzone. Contact your ISP to inquire about known service disruptions in your area or to have them check your line for issues. You might consider changing your DNS servers to Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS in your router or settings, as some default ISP DNS servers can be slower in rare cases where your ISP's routing to Warzone servers is poor or reputable. Gaming might reroute your connection more efficiently, but often can increase ping and should be used cautiously.